All right, so first up, we do have parentheses for some distribution. And we're distributing a -3. So we'll start by multiplying, which is distribution. The -3 times a 1x, which is x's. -3 times 1 is going to be negative. 3 times 1 is 3. That's the first distribution. Now the second distribution, -3 times 9. So negative times positive is a negative. 3 times 9 is 27. There's that. Now we've got 3 minus 3x's minus 27 plus 2x's equals 8 minus 4. And that's all the distribution we have. So we're going to look now to combine any like terms that we have, such as 3 and -27. So that would be 3 minus 27. So we're taking away a lot more than we have, so it's going to be negative. Take the big number minus the small number. 7 minus 3 is 4. Drop the 2. -24. Then the x's. Now, how many x's do we end up with? Well, that's -3x's plus 2x's. And since we're adding opposites and there's more negatives than positives, it's going to be negative. And then we'll do big minus small. 3 minus 2 is 1. -1x's. Okay, this would equal, on the right side, we have 8 minus 4, which is 4. So from here, we did all the distribution, and then we did all the combining like terms, which means that we're at principles of equality. I've already got my x's on the left, all of them, and I'll need to put all my numbers on the right. -24, I do not want with that -1x. So I'm going to have to add 24. If I do it to one side, I must do it to the other side as well. So that's going to zero that out. We drop the -1x's, which equals 4 plus 4 is 8, and then drop the 2. So that's 28. The last thing we want is a coefficient of x that's a positive 1. And that should solve it. So to make that -1 coefficient a positive 1, we'll divide it by itself on both sides. That makes a 1x. Positive divided by negative is going to make a negative. 28 divided by 1 is 28. So our solution ends up being -28.